the living room. Often the heart of a home. Yet sometimes it can lack that certain je ne sais quoi. That feeling of understated elegance. Think of the lobbies of five-star hotels. What is it they possess? It's not just about expensive furniture. It's a carefully orchestrated atmosphere. And if you want that feeling in your living room, that sense of calm and luxury the moment you walk in, and for anyone who visits, you're not alone. The secret lies in understanding the subtle psychology at play in those grand spaces and translating those principles into your own home. Today, we decode their secrets, and I'll show you how to recreate them at home. No renovation required. The arrival cue. Creating psychological entry. Every five-star lobby starts with a psychological signal. You have arrived. Your brain craves a transition ritual when moving between environments. It's called spatial thresholding, a visual and tactile cue that tells the body to shift states. In your living room, create an arrival anchor. A tray near the entrance. A curved chair welcoming inward. A rug stopping at the entry point. This small ritual tells your mind you've stepped into stillness. Conversation islands. Floating emotional zones. In hotel lobbies, furniture never hugs the walls. It floats. Floating furniture creates emotional islands. Your mind reads them as safe, social, and high status. Pull sofas and chairs 6 to 10 inches away from walls. Arrange seating in conversation circles or L shapes, not linear rows. Place a single curved accent piece, like a rounded chair or arc lamp, to soften the energy flow. Asymmetry. The confidence signal. Symmetry feels safe. Asymmetry feels custom. Your brain reads it as curated and expensive. It triggers visual engagement and psychological trust. It's intentionally unbalanced to spark curiosity and sophistication. Top designers use intentional imbalance to suggest confidence and taste. Offset art slightly. Mismatch side tables. Group pillows in odd numbers, 3, 5, or 7. This creates the quiet confidence of high-end design. Temporal anchoring. Designing time perception. Luxury spaces control time. When your senses detect movement that feels slow or timeless, your mind relaxes and perceives prestige. Use sheer curtains that respond to the breeze. Add a vintage clock or kinetic sculpture. Place at least one aged object. It suggests legacy and value. Scent and sound scripting. The invisible design layer. 5-star lobbies manipulate invisible senses, scent and sound, to anchor emotional memory. Your amygdala, emotional brain, links scent and sound directly to feelings of safety and luxury. Choose one signature scent. Subtle wood, white tea, or citrus blend. One ambient sound layer. Soft jazz, quiet piano, or nature sounds. These cues tell guests, this is a space of calm authority. Your living room isn't just a container for furniture. It's a container for your emotional state. When you use arrival cues, floating conversation zones, tactile layering, asymmetrical balance, and sensory scripting, you give yourself more than luxury. You give yourself emotional belonging. The richest spaces don't speak loudly. They spiral inward toward peace.